Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week we're doing a speed edit. And I was going to make a regular tutorial, but I just became really inspired this morning out of nowhere. It was a burst of inspiration. And there are days like that. I'll be filled with inspiration and want to make something. I'll see a picture or see a memory and be like, yeah, I want to make something with that. And that's kind of what happened this morning. I was going through some old memories from the past year, and I came across a few photos and I was like, oh my god, I need to do something with these photos. They scream, edit me, spread the happy, spread the joy that I was feeling in those moments. And yeah, it's just incredible moments, incredible memories. Overwhelmingly happiness and joy right now in general. And I want to spread that same kind of happiness and joy with you guys through a video, and it was going to be through a speed edit. In my opinion, the best way to express happiness is through creativity, and my form of creativity, as you'll notice, has always been Photoshop. I'm not very musically inclined like some people are, and I know that's somehow a way people can share their happiness and whatnot, but I am not good at music, so I'm sticking to Photoshop and the art world. So spreading my happiness and joy with everybody is through art, and this is my form of art right here. Thanking someone, saying something nice to somebody is great via text or words or whatever, but I'm not really good with wording things. I'm terrible at it, I think, but maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. So in my eyes, this is kind of like another form of saying something nice, but in a different manner, in a different way. So sometimes a photo, a card, or something will express more than words can. And that's kind of where I kind of wanted to go with this. Like, I want to express so much happiness and joy on this particular memories and just be like, yeah, I appreciate you. You're awesome. Here, have a graphic. Or have this, whatever I made you. So that's kind of where this kind of came about. Some of the techniques that I'm using here, as you'll notice, we've done in the past videos, in years past, or in previous tutorials. Nothing really new is here. If you're trying to follow along, good luck. It's a speed edit. You may not be able to, but if you are able to, that's impressive. I'm impressed. Good luck with that. I don't really. What did I? Oh yes, at the end of this I put some text. I put happiness is a choice. I'm not really sure what prompted me to say that. I kind of got that saying from the Shaytards. I don't know if you guys know the Shaytards. They left YouTube for a bit, then they came back for a bit now. They used to always say that in their videos, in previous videos. They used to use happiness as a choice. And I liked that saying for some reason. I'm not sure why. I just liked it. So that's kind of what prompted me to put it on there. I was like, you know what? I like being happy. Happiness is a choice, but it's also a way of life. I just love being happy. And in my current state, currently now, I'm the happiest person I've ever been in my life, and I'm not going to explain. I'm not going to go too much into detail on that, but yeah. So happiness is a choice, and I want to thank you guys for watching the speed edit. If you did, please do hit like, please do hit subscribe, and comment if you want to see further videos and such. Thanks, guys. Bye.